Hi my wonderful traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today's video I'm going to be trading using the support and resistance levels. I'm going to be carrying out technical analysis, looking at how prices are approaching these levels and other patterns on the market, as well as I'm going to be using the assistance of the RSI indicator, and together with these two tools I'll try and make very good profit and hit my goal for today. So I urge you to stay until the end of the video because you might like this strategy and you can be able to use it in your own trades. So I want to show you how to activate this indicator, find good entry points on the market and make very good profits. So first of all, you need to activate the indicator. To do this, I'm going to click this button and I can see the list of the indicators. Let me click on the RSI, and here you can see that the settings are by default. You don't need to change anything, but if you want, you can change the color. For example, I would like to leave it by default. Here you can see that we have the indicator. It has two horizontal lines, 70 and 30, overbought and oversold zones. So here you can see there is a moving average of green color. So I'm going to analyze the situations of the signals. So when the green moving average is at the horizontal 30 line, for example, it means that the asset is oversold, and very soon you'll be seeing a reaction and the price will be moving in the opposite direction. So this signal is the moment when the moving average is reversing from this zone and moves up. So in this situation, you can open an up trade due to the uptrend, and also another is when you can see the green moving average is moving at the horizontal 70 line. That means that this asset is overbought, and very soon you'll be seeing the reaction from this zone. The price will be moving in the opposite direction. So this signals the moment when the moving average is bouncing and moving down. In this situation, you can open a down trade due to the downward movement. So as you can see, this moving average is bouncing from the horizontal line, and you can see that sometimes it doesn't touch this horizontal line, sometimes it can go beyond it, but anyway you can see that the moving average moves at this zone and then moves in the opposite direction. So this is a signal that the asset is overbought or oversold, and you can see the movement in the opposite direction. Of course, you should remember about the support and resistance levels. You need to carry out technical analysis first before you can confirm your entry point with the indicator signals. So let me find my first trade and explain it to you. So guys, here I can see there was a very good downward movement. This is the support level at the bottom. After touching this level, the price bounced up, and now you can see after this pullback, the price stopped, and this is the attenuation occurring. You can see the red candlesticks forming. You can also notice that this is a downward potential. The price highs are becoming lower, and you can also see the moving average has been approaching the horizontal 70 line. So now you can see that the price is in the overbought zone. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade with a reserve for a down trade for 2 minutes because I think the price will be moving lower towards the support level and I want to make money here. So right now you can see that the moving average is still going down. Let me wait for the results. So before I continue with my trades, do you know about my private chat in Telegram channel? In this private chat, you're going to learn a lot about binary trading. I post my trading signals there. I post news about binary trading there. So if you'd like to join this private chat, there is a link under the description box. It's a link to my personal chat. Just remember with the code word MoneyTeam and I'll add you to this private chat. So this is very good. As you can see, the price really continued moving down to the support level. I got a very good profit here. You can see the indicator confirm my entry point and help me understand the price movements further. So I'm hoping that you can already get the idea of how this indicator works. So I'm going to find the next situation. So here guys, you can see after a while there was a breakthrough of the support level. The price moves down quite confidently with red candlesticks, and you can see the moving average is in the oversold zone. That means that there is a high chance there'll be a reaction and the price will move in the opposite direction. Here I'm going to open a trade up for 1 minute because I think after the breaking through, the price will get to the correction movement and then there will be a pullback in the opposite direction and I'll be able to see this retracement. Here I can see that the moving average is reversing and moving up. So this correction movement, I'll try and make very good money here, and it usually happens that 1 minute is enough time for such trades. Let me wait and see what will happen. This is very interesting. You can see that the price really got to the correction movement. You can see there was a pullback and I got a very good profit here. So now you can see I was able to predict the situations very well with the help of this indicator. And you can see that this indicator helps you to understand the zones of the pullback in the opposite direction, and you can be able to react on them and make a very good profit on them. So let me find more situations. So have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because it supports my channel. And also don't forget to share my videos, like my videos, and turn your notifications so you're notified when there's a video that is posted. So guys, here right now I'm seeing the downward movement that is occurring. I'm going to open a down trade for 2 minutes. Here you can see the price moves down quite confidently with red candlesticks. You can see after the flat zone, the price continues moving to the level. You can see the moving average is in the overbought zone and it's also reversed and is going down. Thus the indicator helps me understand that very soon the price will be moving down towards the support level, and on this downward movement I'll try and earn very good profit. This is very good, friends. You can see that the price really continues moving down here and I got a very good profit. This situation was quite interesting, and as you can see the indicator was right again and showed me a very good entry point. I was able to analyze everything and all the movements. Let me continue. So here you can see the resistance level and I'm showing it to you. You can also notice the level was broken through and the price moved up. Right now you can see that there was a attenuation. The price has stopped and you can see the red candlestick. Here I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute. I can also notice that now the moving average is in the overbought zone, and that means that very soon from this zone we'll be seeing a reaction and the price will probably move down. And as it usually happens after a breakthrough, the price usually gets into the retracement zone. So I'm expecting a pullback down. I'll try and make very good money on this downward movement. Then wait for the results. So guys, this is quite good. You can see that really there was a pullback down here and I got a very good profit here, and 1 minute was quite enough time for this trade. You can see that the indicator was right again. It showed me a very good entry point. So let me continue. So here in this situation, I'm going to open a trade up for 3 minutes because I can see at the top there is the resistance level. You can notice that there was a pullback down, and after that from this point the price reversed and now you can see the green candlesticks. I'm believing that the price will be moving higher because the price has the upside potential and the main price lows are becoming higher. You can see that the moving average bounced from the horizontal 30 line from this oversold zone. You can also see from this action that this means that very soon we'll be seeing the movement up and there is room towards the resistance level. And I think that in this situation, 3 minutes will be enough time. Let me try and make very good profit here. So guys, it's quite good here. You can see that the price really moves higher to this level, and here I got a very good profit. You can see I analyzed everything correctly, of course with the help of the indicator. So everything is going quite well. Let me continue. Here guys, I can see the resistance level and I can also notice the price approached this level and has moved in the flat zone for a while. You can see the price is squeezing the resistance level, and you can also notice the main price lows are becoming higher. So this is a very good upside potential, and you can see that due to the indicator display, the moving average has bounced from the oversold zone and is moving higher. So that means that there'll be a movement up. I'm going to open a trade up for 2 minutes according to this uptrend because it's quite possible that very soon this level will be broken through, and on this movement I'll try and make very good money on it. Let me wait and see what is going to happen very soon. So guys, here you can see that the price is moving in the flat zone and you cannot see the breakthrough of the level, but nevertheless you can see that the closure point was higher than the entry point here, and that means here I got a very good profit. That means the indicator showed me a very good entry point here. So I'm going to continue watching the price and find more situations to work on. So guys, after a while, you can see the price exited the flat zone and moved down quite confidently. So you can see the impulsive red candlesticks, and I can see that the moving average is moving in the oversold zone. This means that soon there will be a movement up very soon. That's why I'm going to pay attention to the general market situation. You can see that this is the uptrend on the chart. The price lows are becoming higher. So in this situation, I'm going to open an uptrade for 3 minutes with a reserve according to this uptrend, because I can see the price will continue moving up, and this movement will bring me a chance to make very good profit. You can see that this moving average reversed from the oversold zone and is moving higher. Let me see what will happen very soon. This is quite good, friends. You can see that the price really got to the correction movement here, and there was a reversal. You can see that the closure point was higher than the entry point. This means that I got very good profit here, and you can see that I was able to analyze everything correctly with the help of the indicator. You can see that the indicator already confirmed my entry point. Let me continue and find more situations. Here I can see the support level. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 1 minute, because I can see there is a high chance that after this one-way movement, the price will bounce from the support level and move higher, and there will be a correction movement. And right now at this moment, you can see the green candlestick appearing, and the moving average on the indicator display is moving at the 30 horizontal line. So now the price is in the oversold zone, and that signals that there is a high chance that from this zone there will be the reaction, and the price will bounce from this level and be moving higher. And on this moment, I'll try and make very good profit. I'm hoping the time will be quite enough here. So if you're looking for a reliable, trustworthy broker to use that is quite easy to use, I'm going to advise you to try out the Pocket Option platform and the Quotex platform. I left a link under the video. It has a link that you can sign up to these platforms with a first time bonus. So unfortunately guys, here I got a loss. You can see that the price moves in the flat zone and there was a slight pullback up, but nevertheless you can see that the closure point was lower than the entry point, and this was the loss. But sometimes this happens. You can never really predict the market because it's quite volatile, but I still have my deposit. Let me continue and find more situations and work on them. So here I can see the resistance level, and I can also notice that after the second touch there was a pullback down. You can see these red candlesticks appearing. I'm going to click down for 1 minute, and right now you can see the price is bouncing down, and on this moment I'll try and make very good profit. And I'm going to pay attention to the moving average that bounced from the overbought zone and is moving down. That's the indicator confirms my entry point here, and I think in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough time for this, because you can see that this level of resistance is quite strong. You can see that the price was touching it and it bounced down quite a big bounce. Then wait for the results. This is quite interesting, friends. You can see the price really continues moving, and I got a very good profit here. So technical analysis with the indicator display worked quite well, and it showed me a very good entry point. Let me find more situations to work on. So guys, in this situation, I want to open a down trade for 1 minute, because I can see there is the resistance level at the top of the chart, and you can also notice the very confident one-way movement. So here the price approached this level quite confidently with green candlesticks, and that means that there is a high chance from this level there will be the reaction and the price moves down. You can also see that the indicator confirms my entry point, and the moving average bounced from the overbought zone and moves down. So here I've got two factors, and everything signals that I made the right decision here, because with technical analysis I was able to open the trade down at the level, and also the indicator confirms my entry point. So this means there is a high chance I'll get profit here very soon. So guys, this is quite interesting, because you can see there was a really big pullback down. You can see the impulsive red candlesticks. I was able to analyze everything correctly with the help of the indicator as well as technical analysis, and they both worked quite quite well. You can see that my deposit is almost $5,000. I'm going to open one last trade for today. Here guys, I can see the resistance level at the top of the chart. You can also notice there has been the uptrend on the chart, and right now the price approached the resistance level. You can see that the moving average of the indicator is approaching the horizontal 70 line. That's here I understand the price is in the overbought zone. So here I want to open a down trade for 1 minute. I can see that right now the price bounced from the resistance level and moves down. You can see the red candlestick, and I really think that there will be the pullback down, and on this correction movement I'll try and earn very good profit. You can see that the moving average is still going down. The indicator confirms my entry point, and I think that 1 minute will be quite enough here. So let me see what will happen here next. This is excellent, friends. You can see there was a pullback down here, and I got a very good profit from the resistance level where there was a reaction. The indicator was right again. It showed me a good entry point and helped me analyze the market quite well. You can see that using the indicator and technical analysis together gave me a very good entry point. So you can see that right now I have more than $7,000. I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So that was quite good. As you can see, I made very good profit and I was able to hit my goal for today. So combining technical analysis with the indicator signals works really well, and it helps you to avoid errors. You carry out technical analysis first, then use the indicator signals as I did. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, if you're looking to learn more about binary trading, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. You can join this private chat with the link under the description. It's a link to my personal chat. You write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And also do not forget to support my channel. The only way you can do that is by liking my videos, sharing my video, and also subscribing to my channel and turn on notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.